Hello everyone, my name's Harry. I'm one of the support technicians here at ATG. Recently we've been receiving frequent calls and emails regarding our ATG managed email protect system, so we thought we'd do a quick video tutorial on how you guys can use your quarantine portal and how you can manage your quarantine report emails. So first of all, you can see just your standard quarantine report email. Now you should be receiving these 3 or 4 times a day, but we can change it to suit your needs. So you can see here a full list of all the emails that are in your quarantine. So you've got quite a few options from here. So the first one, we've got release. So if you can see an email that you'd like to actually get straight sent to your mailbox, all we're going to do, click this release tab, and then it'll open up a new internet browser tab for you, and then it'll just say it's been released, and that should then come straight through to your inbox. And it also gives you these 2 options here. So if you were to whitelist the sender address, that would allow that specific email address to go straight through the spam filter and get through to your mailbox without getting blocked at all. And also you've got whitelist sender domain. So basically, if you know that entire organisation, you can whitelist the entire domain, so any emails from that company will come straight through to you. So the next option you've got is preview. So this is very useful if you're not entirely sure if the email is legitimate or not. So you can select this option. Again, it'll open up another tab, and then it'll give you the full information of the email, so you can have a look through it to make sure it's legitimate. And as you can see, you've got a few more options with this one as well. So you've got your standard release, release whitelist sender, and release whitelist domain, which I'll just explain then. But then over here, you've got the red options. So you can delete it and then blacklist the domain, so that will block every single email address at that organisation, so no emails will come through to you. You can delete / blacklist the sender, so that will just block that one email address from getting any emails through to you, or you can just delete the email. And then again here, you've got the delete option as well. So if we click on this one, again, it'll just open another tab for you just to confirm those messages have been deleted, and then it'll give you those same options to blacklist the sender or blacklist the sender domain. So again, you've got a bit more information on the email, so the date it was sent, who it was from, the subject, and then the content as well. Now most of the time you'll see the content as spam. There are a couple of other contents. So you've got banned, which will be if an email is banned, you won't be able to release it yourself. You'll have to contact us at ATG to get that released for you. And I've got a digest here which has got a blocked email on it. So you can see it's a little bit different. So it doesn't give the option to release, preview or delete. It just gives you the option to request release. So when you select this option, it will automatically create a ticket on the service desk, so we can check out the email for you, make sure it's safe, and then get it released for you. And then as you can see over here, it says banned file instead of just your standard spam. And then just underneath here, I've got a bit more useful information for you. So any emails that are in your quarantine will stay in there for 14 days. After 14 days, they will automatically be deleted, so you don't actually have to manually delete them yourselves. But if you do need any emails after the 14 days, then you will have to get them resent, because unfortunately we can't retrieve them after the 14 days. And then the last bit, if you do receive any spam emails straight through to your inbox, and you know they're definitely spam, if you can email them to spam@atg-it.co.uk, we can then investigate and make sure that we can block them from getting through to you in the future. Right, so the next step will be to log into your quarantine portal, which you can do by using this link at the bottom of the report here. Once you click on here, it will take you to your login page. Now you should have been provided with your login details. If you don't have them, just send us an email to support@atg-it.co.uk, or just give us a call on 01527 556 300 and we can get them reset for you and help you log into it. So once you log into here, it will straight away take you into your quarantine. Now this gives you a full list of the last 14 days of any emails that you've got in your quarantine. So again, as I said earlier, you've got the same options. So you've got release or request release, depending on the content type, release or whitelist, and then delete or blacklist. Now you can use this portal to release multiple emails at once. So if you try to release an email from a quarantine reports email, you have to do them individually. Whereas in the actual quarantine portal, you can tick multiple emails and select the release option, and that will get all of them sent through to you at once. If you have an email that was banned and you've requested for it to be released, like this one just here, when you come into the portal, you can go under this tab here called My Pending Requests. So in here, you'll be able to see that email and you'll be able to see the status of it. Now, if you can see it in here, it means that we haven't quite released it yet. We'll still be investigating it. But once we have released it, it won't be in here anymore. The next tab is the Rules tab. So in here, if you've selected to either whitelist or blacklist domains, you'll be able to see the full list of them. To add a new whitelist or blacklist rule from the portal, you select the Add Rule option, and then you can, in here, you can either enter the full email address or just the domain, just by typing @ and then the rest of the domain. And then the action here as well, you can choose either to whitelist or blacklist. If you have added a whitelist or blacklist in error, you can just come into this portal. You'll be able to see the full list of them here. You can tick the box and then just click delete. And the last section is your profile. Now this section will automatically be populated anyway, so you shouldn't actually have to change any details here. However, if you do want to reset your password, you can just come into this page, put your new password in there, make sure you can confirm it, and then update it, so the next time you log into your portal, you should be able to use your new password. So this concludes our video tutorial. If you do have any more inquiries, please email support@atg-it.co.uk or to talk directly to a technician, call 01527 556 300. Thanks for watching.